Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Kings River chair is probably one of the most versatile and comfortable seating options available for outdoor enthusiasts, whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply relaxing in your backyard, offering a perfect blend of portability, durability, and ergonomic design that makes it a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable and enjoyable outdoor seating experience. Number 5. Best Choice Products Zero Gravity Lounge Chairs. Discover a new level of comfort with these lounge chairs. They smoothly glide into an ergonomic zero-gravity position, adapting to your body's weight for personalized support. Take relaxation wherever you go. Their lightweight and foldable design makes them perfect for the park, beach, or any outdoor event. Stay connected and refreshed with the detachable tray. It features cup holders, a phone holder, and a tablet holder, keeping your essentials within reach. Enjoy lasting quality and durability. These chairs are built with a high weight capacity and flexible, low-wear fabric designed for extended use. Customize your comfort with the included removable, padded headrest. Find the perfect angle for ultimate relaxation, whether you're lounging or reading. When not in use, they fold down compactly for easy storage and transport. Take them anywhere without hassle. What we like. Experience ultimate relaxation with its smooth zero-gravity recline. This chair offers a convenient detachable tray for your drinks and devices. If you're looking for a chair that provides a truly comfortable lounging experience and keeps your essentials close, this is the one for you. What people say. The Kings River chair is a comfortable and sturdy option for outdoor seating. It features a durable steel frame and a water-resistant fabric that holds up well in various weather conditions. The chair is also lightweight and folds easily for transport and storage, making it ideal for camping trips or backyard gatherings. Number 4. Nice Sea Low Beach Camping Folding Chair, 2-pack blue. Experience ultimate comfort with our low beach chair, designed with breathable mesh and padded armrests. Its convenient cup holder keeps your essentials within reach, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. Crafted from industrial-grade Oxford polyester mesh and a heavy-duty steel frame, this chair is built for durability. It's sturdy, reliable, and ready for all your activities. Don't let its lightweight design fool you. This chair boasts a heavy-duty frame capable of supporting up to 300 pounds. Enjoy a stable and secure seating experience. Setting up is a breeze, simply unfold it and relax. When it's time to go, it folds down compactly into its included carrying case for easy transport and storage. Keeping your chair looking its best is simple. A quick wipe with a towel or a wash with soap and water is all it takes to keep it clean and ready for your next outing. Whether you're heading to the beach, park, or a camping trip, this chair is your perfect companion. Enjoy comfortable and convenient seating wherever you go. What we like. Enjoy a cool and comfortable seat with its breathable mesh fabric. The low-profile design and heavy-duty frame offer stability on soft surfaces. If you love sitting close to the ground at the beach or campsite and need a chair that's both durable and easy to carry, consider this option. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive. It is easy to assemble and looks great in my living room. The material is durable and easy to clean. Number 3. Ultralight Compact Folding Anti-Sinking Chair. Experience unparalleled stability with its robust square frame and large, anti-sinking feet. It's designed to prevent you from sinking into sand or soft ground, making it perfect for any outdoor setting. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and durable ripstop fabric, this chair is incredibly lightweight at just 2.2 pounds. Despite its weight, it can support up to 330 pounds, ensuring strength and reliability. When folded, it's incredibly compact, measuring just 13.8 by 5.5 by 5.1 inches. It easily fits into the included carry bag, making it your ideal companion for any adventure without adding bulk. Setting up is a breeze thanks to its shock-corded frame and integrated brackets. You can assemble it in seconds without any tools, and all parts stay connected for convenience. Stay cool and comfortable even on hot days with its breathable mesh backrest and deep seat design. It also features a convenient cup holder and side pocket to keep your essentials close. Whether you're camping, at the beach, or enjoying a picnic, this chair is built for every outdoor moment. It's designed for ultimate comfort and convenience wherever your adventures take you. What we like. This chair is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it perfect for travel. Its anti-sinking feet provide superior stability on sand or soft ground. If you prioritize portability and stability for backpacking or beach trips, this ultralight option is an excellent choice. What people say. The King's River chair is a great addition to any outdoor space, offering both comfort and style. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, making it a reliable choice for years to come. The ergonomic design provides excellent support, allowing you to relax for extended periods. Number 2. Deluxe Folding Camp Quad Chair. Enjoy ultimate comfort and portability with this chair, perfect for all your outdoor adventures. It's designed for easy transport and setup, making it ideal for camping, tailgating, or any event. Keep your drinks chilled and close by with the convenient armrest cooler. It can hold up to 6 cans, ensuring you stay refreshed without missing any of the action. For those who enjoy a glass of wine, this chair features a secure holder designed for stemmed glasses. Enjoy your favorite beverage without worry, no matter where you are. Prefer a different beverage? The insulated cup holder keeps your drink at the perfect temperature. It's designed to fit various cup sizes, ensuring your drink stays cold. Stay organized with the spacious mesh storage compartment on the back. It's perfect for keeping essentials like hats, sunglasses, or snacks within easy reach. Built to last, this chair boasts a heavy-duty construction with an impressive weight capacity. You can relax with confidence, knowing it's designed for stability and durability. What we like. Keep your beverages perfectly chilled with the built-in armrest cooler and enjoy your wine with the unique glass holder. It boasts an impressive 550 pounds weight capacity for robust support. If you enjoy entertaining outdoors and want to keep your drinks at the ideal temperature while relaxing, this chair is designed for you. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, perfect for long hours of sitting. Easy to assemble, all parts were included and instructions were clear. The material is durable and easy to clean, holding up well to daily use. Number 1. KingCamp Hammock Chair with Footrest. Experience unparalleled relaxation with our innovative hammock chair. It features a detachable footrest, allowing you to easily transition from sitting upright to a comfortable recline. Elevating your legs can significantly reduce spinal pressure and ease joint fatigue, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. Enjoy personalized comfort with its adjustable backrest and unique swing design. This chair mimics the natural motion of a hammock, providing a gentle sway for a truly relaxing experience. The breathable fabric ensures optimal cooling support for all-day lounging. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel, this chair supports up to 400 pounds while weighing only 11.4 pounds. Its anti-slip foot pads and reinforced frame ensure stable support on any terrain, making it incredibly durable yet easy to carry. Designed for unrestricted lounging, this chair offers an extra-wide seat and ample space between armrests. You'll have plenty of room to stretch out, sit cross-legged, or simply enjoy a spacious fit. It's your ultimate roomy outdoor retreat. Set up in seconds with its fast fold design and pre-attached frame, no tools required. It includes an ergonomic headrest and a side cup holder for added convenience. Easily store it in the included Oxford bag for your next adventure. What we like. Experience unparalleled relaxation with its detachable footrest and oversized, roomy seat. The unique hammock swing design offers a gentle, soothing motion. If you seek maximum comfort and a spacious place to unwind, especially for longer periods of lounging, this chair provides an exceptional retreat. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive. It is easy to assemble and adjust. The chair is made of high-quality materials and is very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.